Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Blurry DP and Telegram. So that's actually guys can be a problem with your device, with your device's system, and it's of course will be directly applied or affects your Telegram app and the other apps. So what I want you to do guys is to go into your system settings, and after that, once you're on settings, look for apps just by type apps on search settings or bar, or you just need to scroll down until you can find apps, and right here I want to tap on it, and after that I want to go into the second option, manage apps, and tap on it, and right here what I want to do is to look for that app which is Telegram, and tap on Telegram once it appears to you, and after that I want you just to go into the clear data right here, and I want you to clear the cache. Alright, and after that I want you to go also into your Play Store or App Store and look for Telegram by tapping on the search bar right here and type Telegram. Okay, and right here I want you to make sure that you have the last version and the last updates of Telegram. If not, you just need to tap on updates and make sure that you have the last version. And also, if you still have that problem, you can uninstall and then reinstall the app, and yeah, it will be solved. The problem will 100% will be solved. This is the final solution. Anyways guys, this is the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.